Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a virtual joystick for your game, like mobile games. So first, what we're gonna do is add a new node called virtual joystick. Also, avoid this node was added to Godot in 4.7, so you have to use 4.7 just to use it. So they have a ton of thing to do. So it's not much. So we have to do these actions to your life, like your own action. So like this and down. There you have to do all these. Do your actions. So I already make these action like WASD and in the script I already write a script. If you don't know how to write this, there's a video like yesterday I made it. So it's work and so to test it on your computer you have to go to input devices pointing and turn on touch from mouse. Okay, that after that when you play it and it might work. I hope. Yep, it work. But you already know I wrong and put in the player so it won't move like the player. So yeah, it's working. So that's how to make a virtual joystick and and thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good day. This might be short but this is the greatest video of all and I need subscribers so please sub.